guys, this is actually on the ground because we salvaged it.
That's right. We salvaged it in Norfolk at Tim's place off of a ferry. The
Twin Capes.
Twin Capes.
That went from Lewes, Delaware to Cape May, New Jersey.
Yes.
For many, many years, and now it's parked here at BDS2, ready to be, I don't know, in your backyard, on your next tree house or
a tree house would be amazing.
Yeah.
This is an all aluminum crow's nest with integrated ladders and the part on top where you could stand
and it's got these
land.
outriggers so you can stabilize yourself and be safe.
Just one of the many crazy, weird things we have at the warehouse, but come check it out. See you guys.